Hard cataract is something we all face in our day-to-day surgery. It is always very difficult trying to manage these hard cataracts. One of the area that we find most difficult is when we are trying to break the nucleus into number of pieces. It is sometimes very difficult to break the posterior plate of the nucleus as it may be very hard or leathery. While trying to break the nucleus into small pieces, we may cause a break in the posterior capsule or can also cause zonular dialysis. Let us look into another case of a hard cataract. We can see that we have to do many maneuvers to break the cataract successfully without damaging the posterior capsule. It is always very dangerous to go deep into the nucleus as we risk having a rent in the posterior capsule. I always thought it will be nice to have access to the posterior plate directly to the phaco tip. Since we cannot approach the posterior plate with the phaco tip, I thought, why not flip the nucleus? That is when I tried the somersault in a half piece of the nucleus of a hard cataract. I was successful in turning the nucleus and so could get access to the posterior plate of the nucleus directly to the phaco tip at the pupillary plane. Why not try this in other cases? I tried this in a grade 1 cataract. It worked well. I didn't even need a second instrument. What I have done here is flipping the nucleus 180 degrees so that the posterior plate comes to lie in the pupillary plane. I tried in another slightly hard grade 2 to 3 cataract. Here also, I could do it successfully. I had no difficulty in doing the phaco somersault and I have noticed that I have accidentally mastered another technique of doing phaco emulsification without a second instrument. Let us see how it is done again. Catching hold of the edge of the nucleus at the equator, the nucleus is maneuvered in the pupillary plane for easy emulsification. The advantage of this new technique that I have developed is that it can be done in all types of cataracts. There is less phaco time, very less phaco energy is used, and it's a useful technique to access the posterior plate easily, thereby minimizing the risk of posterior capsular breaks when we go close to it. Phaco somersault. Thank you.